Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can create social media posts directly and automatically from your Google Sheets. So guys, for this, we are connecting Google Sheets in the trigger and Switchboard, Canvas and Facebook application in the action modules of the automation workflow. And here you just have to add the data of your post in the spreadsheet here in Google Sheets application, and according to that data, images will be created automatically using Switchboard Canvas application, and the same images will be shared as a post in Facebook automatically. So guys, in place of Facebook, you can use any other social media platform as well. And guys, to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and we can set up this automation without any coding very easily. Let me show you how. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. We have pasted this link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and reach this Pabbly Connect product, and you will reach the dashboard here. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up any kind of automation. And here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as social media posts from Google Sheets. Okay, so after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. All right, and on this page you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two modules, we are going to set up this automation. So in the trigger, we are going to connect that application in which the trigger event is going to occur. So the trigger event is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the response or the consequence towards the trigger. So in this case, we are using Google Sheets, and adding of the data of any post inside the Google Sheet will act as a trigger. So here, search for Google Sheets application. Here it is, select it. Okay, and in the trigger event, select this new or updated spreadsheet row. Okay, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with Google Sheets, and after that we are going to fetch the response of that connection that we have created. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet I have created inside Google Sheets application, and in this spreadsheet I am adding this data. You can see I am adding the link of my WordPress posts that I want to share on Facebook, the publishing date of those posts, the caption of the post, and the featured image or the promotional image of the post. Okay, this is the data I am adding here, and out of that data we are going to create an image, then we are going to share it on Facebook or on any other social media. So guys, to make this connection here, first of all you need to open this spreadsheet in incognito mode if you are using multiple Google accounts in your browser. So I am using multiple Google accounts, so I have opened the spreadsheet here in incognito window. So guys, here you have to click on extensions, and from this add-ons option click on get add-ons, and here you have to install an add-on which is called Pabbly Connect webhooks. So you have to search for it here, Pabbly Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay, and you have to install it here. So it will just take 2 minutes to install it, and as you can see here, I have already installed it. Okay, so once you install it, after that you have to refresh your spreadsheet. Okay, so after refreshing the spreadsheet, when you click on extensions again, you will find this Pabbly Connect webhooks option available in the drop down only. Okay, so when you click here, you have to click on initial setup, and under initial setup you will find these two fields, the webhook URL field and the trigger column field. Okay, so in the webhook URL field you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from your workflow, and in the trigger column you have to enter the last data entry column or the final column from your spreadsheet. So my final data column is the D column. This means whenever I'm going to enter the data here in the D column, that is going to trigger the workflow. So this is the final data column. Okay, so first of all let me copy the webhook URL that I got here in my workflow. So click on copy from here, and then come back to the spreadsheet in incognito window, and from here click on extensions and from Pabbly Connect webhooks initial setup, you have to paste the URL here in this field. So a webhook URL is already pasted here. Let me erase this and let me paste a new one. Okay, the trigger column is D column, and guys, here you can see in your workflow, as I have copied this URL, it started showing waiting for the webhooks response. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means we are going to capture some test data from our spreadsheet and we have to bring it here, and with the help of that data we are going to set up this automation further. So to bring the data here, you just have to go back to the initial setup, and from here click on this send test button. So by clicking on send test, the data of the first row that you have in your spreadsheet will be sent to your workflow as the test data. Okay, so I am clicking here on the send test button, and here you can see this is the response. The test data is sent successfully. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data, and here you can see in the response we got the data captured here like this. So it is showing us the WordPress post link, the publishing date, the caption, the featuring image, link, and the sheet's name. All the things are captured here. Okay, now go back to the initial setup. From here click on submit. Okay, and you can see the setup is configured successfully. Close this window, and from this extensions option go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here do the last thing, which is to click here on the send on event option. So when you click on send on event, what will happen whenever you are going to add any new row, the workflow is going to be triggered and the automation start working. Okay, so we are done here. Now guys, what you have to do, with the help of this test data, we want to create an image with the help of this Switchboard canvas application. For that guys, you can see I have created a template here. Let me show you the template section. These are the templates I have created in Switchboard canvas, and this is the template I am using for creating a post. So you can see in this template, which is this tweet to template, here we have these four variable things. First thing is the image, second thing is the name of the person, third thing is the text, and fourth thing is the date on which we are publishing the photo. Okay, so to fill all these data here in this template, we need to first connect the Switchboard canvas application here in the sections tab. So just click here in the sections tab, and from here search for Switchboard. Here it is, select it. Okay, and in the action event, select this create image option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here you have to enter the API key of Switchboard. So you will find the API key here from the template section only. Here you can see we have this view your API key button. Click on it, and this is the key that we want. So just click on copy from here and paste the key here. Then click on save, and you'll be connected with Switchboard canvas. Okay, and now it is asking for the template's name. So my template's name is tweet-2. So just select it from the templates list. Okay, here it is asking for the width and the height of the image that you want to create. So I'm going to enter the standard limits of the height and the width. Okay, and here it is asking for the date, tweet, handle, and profile pics. These are the four variables that we had here inside our template. So to get these things changed, I'm going to map the values of these things here in these fields from the previous step. So for the date, so to map the data, you can see the data that you have received here. To map it here, you just have to click here, and it will show you the trigger step and the drop down like this, and when you click on it, it will show you the data like this. So from here only you can map the publishing date. For the tweet, just click here, and from this Google Sheets tab, map the caption. This is the text actually that we are going to see here, and here in the handle you can write your name. Okay, so I am writing the name directly like this. Okay, you can fill your name. In the profile pic field, you have to map the URL that you had here inside your spreadsheet. This is the featured image URL, and I'm going to map it here from this label. Okay, right. Now click on save and send test request, and you will see a new photo or an image created automatically with the help of the template. You can see we got this URL of a new image getting created with the help of Switchboard canvas. Let me show you this URL. Okay, you can see here we got the new image created, and you can see here this is the name I have entered. Okay, this is the same caption. You can see some people never go crazy, what truly horrible lives they must lead. This is a quote by Charles Bukowski, and here you can see in my image the same text is here. Okay, and this is the image that I had here in my spreadsheet that got placed here like this. So this is how you can create auto images. All right, guys. So after getting the image created, we want to share the image as a post on Facebook or on any other social media. For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon, and another actions tab will open up. From here you can search for Facebook, and here you can see we have all these options. From here I'm going to select this Facebook pages, and let us create a page post now. And in the action event I'm going to select this create page photo. Okay, then click on connect. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Facebook pages. Alright, so it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in, but as I have already logged in here, it got connected like this. Okay, and this is my page actually, name as trafficking WordPress post. So you have to select the page's name from this pages list. So you just can search for it. Here it is, select it. Okay, and here you can see it is asking for the photo URL and the description. So we are going to use this URL to share the photo. So we are going to map it here. Just click here, and from this last switchboard canvas step, map the image that we have created, and for the description use the Google Sheet and map the caption as the description like this. Okay, right guys, now you can check your connection with your Facebook page by clicking on save and send test request. So a new post will be created here in your page. Okay, so this is the last post that we had. Let us create a new post. I am clicking on save and send test request. So this is the response we have received. We had a new post ID created. Let's check in our page if we got a new post. I'm refreshing the page, and here you can see we got a new post created automatically like this, and this is the same image that we have created with the help of canvas, switchboard canvas, that got shared here like this with this caption. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up the automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that you don't have to do anything manually here in this workflow. After that, guys, whenever you are going to add the details of any post here inside your spreadsheet, the workflow is going to run in the background, and you will see a new post created automatically on your Facebook page. Okay guys, and you can use this workflow also, because I'm going to paste the link in the description of this workflow, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.